What's going on, guys? My name is Josh, / you might know me as TV through the crypto space and on X or Twitter, however you want to say it now. But welcome to this little tutorial video on how to create a DAO on DaoDao on the Terra Classic Chain. So, without further ado, these are my DAOs. Obviously, the Nucleus isn't mine, Terra Classic isn't mine, the other three are. But I'll show you how to create a token DAO for your token, or your CW20 token if you want to go through DAO decisions to make decisions on your DAO. So, without further ado, you want to press create. You want to go through the whole shebang of naming your DAO, describing your DAO, and then adding an image. You can change all of this later. Obviously, you got the choice of a membership DAO, an NFT DAO, or a token DAO. Token DAO is most commonly used for tokens that are made, but you can create a membership DAO for people who want, like, if you want to create a council of people or something like that. But anyway, going on to continue, you want to either create your own token for your DAO, or you want to use an existing token, which is easier because people will be able to purchase that token through CoinHall or any other DEX or anything that they're part of. So, I've chosen Catnip, which is CNIP for the short. I want to press continue. On this next stage, you will have to choose your own staking period. I would suggest setting this to something that you want to keep, because I'm not sure you can. I don't think you can change the unstaking period. I've tried, and at the moment I can't see a way to do it, so I'd set this to something that you want to set for your token to be unstaked on the DAO. So I'd probably set it to like a day, because it's a DAO, and if you've already got a staking through Garuda DeFi staking, then you don't really want to split it up too much. But yeah, so you got that. You want the voting duration. You can change this in the future, so I would set this to something like 5 minutes. Just so you can get a bunch of proposals sorted for your DAO to get it set up. Proposal deposit. I'm going to keep mine disabled so I don't have to do it, but you can set up a deposit to deter spam. Multiple choice questions, etc. I'd say yes to that just because why not. Active threshold, disabled. You don't want that because it will mean that if your DAO ever goes to like below the voting power on proposals, it will become inactive, and yeah, it's just, yeah, not worth it considering the Terra Classic Chain is basically dead as it is. Kidding, what's dead can never be killed. Passing threshold, you want that to be majority, or you can have it as a percentage. I have majority just because why not? A majority of the 50% of, like, you know, votes need to be yes or no. So yeah, I'd say it's a majority. Quorum is specifically for you. I have 10% on my DAO, but I'd say it's like between 10 and 20 is fine. Allow revoting. I would do that just in case someone wants to change their mind on the votes, or if you need to like reject the vote and people, you can tell people to reject it, etc. Proposal submission for only members, obviously. Proposal execution, only members. Approver DAOs and that. This is just something that you can figure out. It is just so you can create like a security DAO for your decisions. So yeah, so you want to do that, and then you want to create the DAO. So this will create the DAO of testing under the Catnip token. Obviously this isn't going to be used, so I wouldn't use it because it's just going to be, you know. So I'd just accept anything that comes up here. Congrats on your DAO, it is creating, and yeah, this is just a short tutorial on this. If you want to see other tutorials on how to add stuff, they will be coming up shortly. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and you also, you know, keep the playlist somewhere in case you forget stuff, or you can just go to my Telegram link below and also find everything to do with how-tos and all the tutorials there. So yeah, thanks for watching, and peace.